Mr. Heater's line of powerful kerosene forced air heaters provide economical, efficient heat for large commercial, industrial, and construction areas, both indoors and outdoors. Always follow the ventilation requirement in the operator's manual under safety instructions. In this video, we're going to show you how to assemble and operate your kerosene forced air heater. There are several models of this heater. Check the model number on your unit and be sure to follow the instructions that apply to your particular heater. First, remove the unit from the box. Check for any defects or damage. Refer to the operator's manual for complete detailed instructions. If you have a model number MH50KR, no assembly is required. It is ready to go. All it takes is one step to assemble model number MH75KTR. You will need a 5/16" nut driver or socket wrench. Simply attach the two cord wraps to the body of the heater and assembly is complete. Model numbers MH125KTR, MH175KTR, and MH210KTR requires installation of handle, support leg, and wheel assembly. Install support leg and handle on the heater. You will need standard pliers. To assemble the wheel onto the axle, install a cotter pin into the hole on the end of the axle. Slide a large washer and then a wheel onto the axle next to the cotter pin. Make sure the valve stem is facing towards the cotter pin. Next, slide a spacer onto the axle next to the wheel. Slide the partially assembled axle through the wheel support frame. Then slide a spacer onto the axle next to the wheel support. Slide the second wheel with the valve stem facing out and a large washer onto the axle. Now install the remaining cotter pin. Install the hubcaps over the larger washers to complete the wheel assembly. This guard is included with all kerosene models. They are only required on heaters sold in Canada. Fill the fuel tank with clean number 1 or 2K kerosene, diesel, or home heating fuel. Only number 1 fuel should be used in winter conditions. These fuels have additives to prevent cold weather fuel gelling. To start model number MH50KR, plug the heater into a grounded outlet and turn the toggle switch to the on position. If you have a model number MH75KTR, 125, 175, or 210 KTR, turn the thermostat to the lowest setting before starting. Make sure the unit is off. Plug the heater into a 3-pronged grounded outlet with a properly rated power cord. Be sure to use an extension cord with the proper requirements. Now turn the thermostat control up to the highest setting. Start the heater by pushing the toggle switch to the on position. The red light indicates the unit is on. Now adjust the thermostat to the setting you want. The heater will cycle on and off to provide the right amount of heat. In cold weather, when the temperature is below 10 degrees Fahrenheit, starting may be improved by holding a finger over the vent hole of the pump adjustment screw cap until the heater starts. The on-off switch has an integrated circuit interrupter reset. If the unit does not start, toggle the switch to off to reset it. Wait 5 minutes. Then toggle the switch back to the on position. To turn off model number MH50KR, simply unplug the unit from the power source. To turn off all models, push the on-off switch to the off position. For extended shutdown, unplug the heater from the power source. You are now ready to enjoy hours of warmth with your kerosene forced air heater. Economical, efficient heat for large commercial, industrial, and construction areas both indoors and out.